The Intermediate Toolbar. We're going to cover all the different functions of the different tools that you see on the Intermediate Toolbar. First, the minimize. When you're not using the toolbar, this minimizes the space taken up on your desktop. You can click that button to minimize it, and to expand it again, just touch the button there. Next, we have the Intermediate Workspace menu. This will open up other functions where you can access, such as file, save as, printing, exporting, other tools. That's the Intermediate Workspace menu. Next is the mouse mode. Mouse mode will take you from Workspace back to your active desktop, putting your pen back in control in the same function of a mouse. To get back into Workspace, you can either select any tool, or to go back to the page you were on, just touch one of these two arrows. The selection tool. The selection tool will allow you to select whatever's on your screen if you put it there, whether writing or an image, and then you can move it, you can resize it, rotate it, or delete it. Create a blank page. This will create an additional blank page to act like a whiteboard. Create a grid page. This will create a line page, and or if you go into the settings, you can make it with vertical lines as well. Save, to where you can save your lesson. And quit when you're ready to close the Workspace program. Text box. This is similar to what you would use in PowerPoint, and that's what we used here. As you can see, I used my selection tool, and I'm now just going to double click, and at this point I can go ahead and start to type more. Again, it works just like a text box, and you can see your formatting tools at the very top. Click outside, saves it. To start a new text box, you're going to click on the text box icon. Just click anywhere out in the page. Your text box opens. Again, start typing. Remember, all of your formatting tools are right up here. The undo button undoes the last thing done, similar in many other programs. The clear will actually clear everything on the page, or in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and make a mark. I can use my selection tool, select the mark, and now this will only clear what has been selected. Previous page allows me to go to the page before. Next page allows me to go to the next page. That's how I'll navigate through the lesson. I also have these two navigation buttons down here at the very bottom. Also, you'll see here I'm on page 9 out of 12. Page sorter. This looks very similar to PowerPoint. So for example, I know I don't want that page because it's blank, so I'm now going to delete it. I want this page to be moved up through the process, and I would like this page to be moved down. So it allows you to set up your lesson the way you'd like, rearrange it if you need to put it in better order. And done, I'm going to hit close. The last tool we'd like to cover is the toolbox. Not all of the tools are displayed on the Intermediate Toolbar. So what I'm going to do is just click this button. This lets you see all of the additional tools that are available. These are the tools on the Intermediate Toolbar.